Chapman, everybody! Embry-Riddle graduates are everywhere. In the skies as pilots on the ground, as air traffic controllers, and out in space as astronauts. And that's not all. You can learn how Eagle alumni are changing the world by going to www.erau.edu and also by visiting the university's Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram pages. Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University. Straight up into this gorgeous blue sky above Jones Beach. Gravity will win here. He comes to zero airspeed.
Wow.
This is the tail slide. Watch the, oh, with an inverted recovery, and now pulls back through. Matt Chapman, sponsor. Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University is regarded as being the premier university in the world for aviation and aerospace studies, with main campuses located in Daytona Beach and also in Prescott, Arizona. And in 2016, Embry-Riddle students won both prestigious collegiate aviation competitions, the NIFA SafeCon Flight Team Competition and the Women's Air Race Classic Cross Country Air Race. Students who need more flexibility can complete their studies through Embry-Riddle Worldwide, which has more than 150 campuses across the globe and more than 90 on military bases, and the option to take courses online. There's a 9T turn right there. They call that the Embry-Riddle pitch rate demo.
Whoa.
Matt has been chosen by the United States Air Force to give aerobatic familiarization flights to their elite Air Combat Command demonstration pilots.